Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Place your hand upon your diaphragm, and when you breathe in through your nose, push your diaphragm out toward your hand. And when you slowly breathe out through your mouth, feel your diaphragm relax and your hand lower. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Feel what is supporting you. Feel its sturdiness. And as you breathe, send your breath to that support. Slowly in and slowly out. I'd like you to imagine yourself in a safe place. Whether you've been there before or it's a place that you'd like to go. Breathe. Look around your safe place. Notice what is there. Notice the smells. Notice the sounds. Notice what you see. And notice what you feel upon your skin. Are you outside and is it warm? Are you inside and it's comfortable? Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And a deep, slower breath out through your mouth. Feel your breath get lighter and lighter as you go deeper and deeper. Find a comfortable place to sit in your safe place. Notice how it feels. Notice that you feel calm and safe. Notice that here your thoughts are clear and your thoughts are at rest. See yourself relaxed and feeling peaceful. As you see yourself sitting in your safe place, allow yourself to fully relax and allow your breath to meet what supports you. Notice how your feet and your legs and your torso and your arms and your hands and your head feel so calm and light and relaxed as your breath gently rises and falls, ebbs and flows from one part of your body to the next. Take a slow, quiet, deep breath in and a slow, quiet, deep breath out. Keep breathing, feeling the calming rhythm of your breath in and out. When you are ready, send your breath to your eyes and open your eyes. See your surroundings and notice that your breath is still calm, still relaxed, and still soothing. You realize you can take your safe place and your breath with you